Tata? Is it dinner time? What you eating? So you eating some chicken and some green beans? Is it good? Excuse you. Do you want some more? No? Are you silly? Are you all done eating? You're gonna eat some more. Yummy. Say yum yum, give me some, put it in my tummy tum. Do we like our chicken and green beans? Dada, he's gonna have dinner a little bit, isn't he? Yeah. Say hi. You gonna eat any more? There you go, there's some more. It's a good stuff. So are you a good eater? Yeah, I'll eat it all gone. Huh? Are you messy? Let's see. Are we messy, boy? You're very messy. Alright. You enjoy your dinner, Tai-Tai. Bye-bye. We'll see you later. You say bye-bye. Love you.